Hello kids, let's learn alphabets. So let's get started. A apple. B ball. C cup. D doll. E elephant. F for frog. G gun. H her house. I ice cream. J jacket. K kettle. L lamp. M mango. N nose. O owl. P parrot. Q queen. R rat. S sun. T ten. U unicorn. V violin. W well. Xmas tree. Y yacht. Z zebra. Our videos, please like the videos and share with your friends and family. And if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.